People come up and come disrespect, and me don't know, me and them not have no hard. Keem King, I the girl from life come disrespect. Hey, Keem King, me say y'all go down today. Keem King, y'all go down today. Keem King, y'all go down today. Keem King, y'all go Batman. Keem King, look on Phoebe. Phoebe want to be woman. Phoebe can be a blood clot woman. Cause Phoebe full of peel full of her now body. Dirty Phoebe Phoebe rotten up blood clot. Dirty Phoebe. No, come on for my life. No, come on for this. No, send a request to me. Don't send a request to me. Derrick. Don't send a request to me. Yeah? Don't send a request to me.
Listen, what the people, them gone. Phoebe, them gone.
I don't want them back from my life. Look here. Me and the man play a match. He had up Phoebe for me live.
Uncle.
She did that time.
Listen to what me I tell you.
Yeah.
Young them Keem do one biggest casual there, yeah. When them people that disrespect you and deal like that, Derrick, you do not talk back to them because you're gonna expect to get disrespect again. Can add them up to class, yo. That's him too.
Yeah.
You don't stop it.
This girl like a friend. I got talk about anything. Me I'm not the girl when I'm anything. Me don't know her fan of me. Me don't know this girl fan of here. But she give me 50. When this girl give me 50, me and this girl don't have that. I can't talk about $50. Then people come and have an argument with me.
Bro, that girl is she's a cloud chaser, brother.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, stop when them disrespect you, stop at them. Stop talk back to them, but them go on with them go, them will keep disrespecting you. In this evening, it sound good for you. Go and say, are your friend them out?
No, me come out and people them shot. I'm going to people them say Derrick, go on better. And them people go on better.
You
Me should even. I come out, you know, and I'm calling me there attacking, you know. Me should even answer Keem.
You're in a decent environment with decent people and you come out and go and say, tell us stop at them, block them. When you stop chat up on the mouth in the comments, me a block on it too, you know.
Block them, because I don't have nobody on the back. I don't have nobody on my box. I don't have nobody on my back. Nobody come on the box.
Come on for this. That the girl that don't give uncle no money, she's a cloud chaser. She been chasing cloud from what year. Wanna come on for this man?
Me don't know her from nowhere. Me don't know this girl from nowhere.
Like your mama. Come on for this and go stuck out your mother. Wanna too enough. Derrick don't know this girl. Derrick should never come on the live. So wanna stop from talk.
I don't know.
I thought she make up uncle because she don't know you. I like she tell. She's a cloud chaser.
Ask her who she send money to come. I mean, you collect money from. People send money.
Pull out this girl like she tell. She's such a steer. I always watch her. Such a steer. She's a cloud chaser. Some things that she come on the internet come talk. Or when somebody have a gun on my head, wanna talk that.
Yeah, we're gonna do now. We're gonna put her out. We're gonna put her out anything. So she missing and put her on a funeral. She come from me. Me don't know this girl from nowhere. But send $50 come give me for pay rent. Send $50 for people. Which rent? Me should have rent for pay rent.
I like the girl too.
And then Phoebe got cuss me like Phoebe know nothing about me.
Bro, I'm
False.
telling you, add them when them disrespect you. Did I say, I'm going to say you don't listen? Ever see me in the comments I say you don't listen?
Put on tea. Look on Phoebe. We're full of beer germs. Phoebe full of beer germs. Phoebe full of germs. Phoebe full of germs. Baby germs. Phoebe full of baby germs. I'm gonna feel a match with them body. I'm gonna feel a match with them body. Just give me call them something. Just give me call them all them something for me. Me and my people are not friend.
Uncle, I tell you, when them disrespect you, stop friend them back. Them will come back and do the same thing. Them not respect you. Talk up the things them, uncle. But Phoebe.
No, mama. You shouldn't talk about things, them man. So many man look call me. You know, when the people hear my voice. Don't it Phoebe for a germ. Phoebe walk and kick man like a dog, no king. So Phoebe walk and rob man. But him can't go back far. But him can't go back far. Come back to Jamaica. Nobody want back Phoebe back to Jamaica. Cause he full of germs. Phoebe full of germs. And gonna I kill up blood clot Phoebe. But he gonna do birth and teeth. Really blood clot man. Him a man. Naughty blood clot Phoebe. Gonna Phoebe germs. That Phoebe walk and thief. Phoebe walk and rob people. I rob a dark shit, that dirty thinking Phoebe. Walk and rob people in a blood clan. A criminal, a thief. She a thief. You a thief and criminal. If you stop, come take set from Derrick Morgan. Dirty Phoebe. Where if you do now, you go up on our page. Don't you go up on our page? Go on our page and we put her out in it. We put her out and say this he is a man. He is a man. He is a man. We got done the blood clamp Phoebe. We got done Phoebe today. Yeah. Talk about the scream guy, money gonna do not. Money gonna do not. Talk about the scream guy. I got talk about me.
When them there cuss me, I tell them for done now. Come on for this little girl and go read a book.
People don't want over there class. Them go over there for class me. Them can't class me nowhere. Talk about the screen guy. Each and everybody run. Each and everybody panel live. And send some gift uncle there. And nobody know Phoebe no way. Nobody know Phoebe. Nobody know Keem King. Kiki got demons. Kiki and DJ. Me make sure I black King.
Brother, every time I tell Derrick stop at them when them at DSA, still talk back to these people. Them not respect you. Look for King number and we black it. Look for him number and we black it. We can black it. Him number and page. You got me have him number. In page. May I share him page here? Are you black it?
No man, you know him page. Where's that Anna?
Uncle, you are in the live now?
No man, I ain't no live. Blood clan.
Phoebe is a big man. It's a big slabber man.
Yeah. I gotta tell me must buy a bed. Me must buy a bed.
Keem King, I tell him that.
Yes, Keem King. Everybody tell Derrick, why had Keem King in your box far?
Keem King a problem, man. Him a do all of the things them.
Yes. Nobody no Phoebe on TikTok.
But Derrick cannot add Keem King, cause Keem King ain't nobody. Keem King no clout, no. He only go around and trouble people.
And look at now, one girl in NSC. I tell her, she give me 50. I don't know this girl from nowhere.
I like them, I tell I just draw them one dry out.
Yeah, I don't know this girl from nowhere.
Now add them people that I better add Jaden.
You don't understand. I do people, me see, you don't understand me, I tell you. Me not add them.
That means I say you should have had Keem King.
He said the request come, I play too much, and out of the too much, them, you know, win nothing. And the third,
And that
and the
means
third.
that's why it make no sense to add him. Next time not add him, can not make no sense. Understand? Keem King a problem, brother. Anything happy bottom jeans, anything help him.
But me take off a bomb clat of my life, you know. Me no want to cut it to them place, you know.
Nobody cut my people them place. Upper bottom jeans. Left off for the man life. Nobody make me to lift you up for you say, you know. If you type my name in the comments section, you go sorry.
But anything what can suck cocky like a dog. Me not know the girlfriend away. Me know anything from away. Me know anything from away.
Nowhere, Derrick. Nowhere. You don't know where from. Nowhere.
Come on for my life, Jungle. Come on for my life. Come on, you bomb buck leather. Come on for this. Check her out. Me check her out.
You get lift up. You get lift up, girl. Guys, on the top of the screen, Derrick just accompany him live, and the one that time for a man in the man to come live. And as the man come live, I be crosses and parasites.
Me see, my friend that told me that dead, you know. Me never tell you.
Yeah, tell me about it.
And they told me
Your friend you got Panama, don't you?
Yes, our mother dead. I mean, go on there tonight. So me kill time. So me go down there. And me come up back the road up here. So I go back down there tonight because
yeah, spend the whole night.
Yes.
Yeah, spend the night straight back till the morning.
No, I come up. I leave there about after even 2 o'clock.
Even 2 o'clock. Okay, so you can get some sleep. So that means that you're not go on the live.
Cause if me go on live out there, I'll be nice.
So you just come on the live now, right? And then now I'll be a
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.